All right, y'all, it's time for another Smash Cake session. I'm doing all the Christmas ones, then we're gonna go back to our regular ones. This one is Oh What Fun It Is to Be One. And it was so stinking cute. So let's go ahead and dive into it. So I got the plastic mat on the floor with the twinkle lights and the red confetti, and I hung up these little Christmas balls. We got our pink and red arch, and we're doing pink, red, and green balloons. Like a deep green. Going back in and adding all my littles in. And then we're going to come at you with the Oh What Fun on the red arch. Then I'm going to add this cutie little felt garland in. It's super cute. It's white, pink, and a little turquoisey. Then I'm going to add some little snowflakes to a little pink arch. You know, just give a little something extra. Then I'm going to add up my light up ONA and my light up number 1 and a whole bunch of Christmas trees. I got disco, I got red, I got pink. The little pink discos are nutcrackers. Then I'm adding in all kinds of different stuff. Little snow globe, snowflakes on the balloons, and I did add some twinkle lights. We got our sitter props and our hat and our cake and cake topper by That's So Stitch. Look at the little Santa bow on the sleigh. It turned out so stinking cute. So I was set up and ready to go for this Oh What Fun It Is to Be One, and it was absolutely perfect. So, till next time, y'all.